How to use the sum function in Microsoft Word tables to quickly calculate totals. First, click inside the empty cell where you want the total. Then go to the Table Layout tab and click Formula in the data group. Word will automatically enter a sum formula based on the numbers above the selected cell. Click OK, and Word will calculate the total. Repeat the same process for other columns. To sum values in a row, select the empty cell to the right of your data. Go to Table Layout and click Formula. Word will automatically use left to add the values to the left of the selected cell. Click OK, and Word will calculate the total. Keep in mind that Word doesn't automatically update table calculations like Excel. If you change a value, right-click the calculated result and select Update Field. That's how you can use formulas to calculate totals in Microsoft Word tables. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest Microsoft tech, updates, and upgrades. Thanks for watching.